Sometimes sorting out expiration dates at the grocery store can be a bit of a challenge. To help us sort it all out, we're joined by Jim Brooks here at the Food and Ag Product Center. And Jim, let's just talk in general. What do the expiration dates of foods really mean?
It's estimated that the average household throws away between $800 and $1,000 of food each year. So you multiply that by the number of families, and that's a significant loss of food that's probably still good. But the biggest one that people talk about is use-by dates. Use-by dates are a guide that manufacturers go by to where their product is at peak quality. It doesn't mean when it hits that date that it's not edible or you can't use it. You certainly can, but that just means that that was due to their shelf life studies. That's about as long as the product was at its peak. This milk, for example, it has a best by date of 12/24/15. And generally speaking, that's good for 3 or 4 days even after that date. But the solids in the fat and milk will start to give it that aroma, and you can certainly tell when milk is no longer good. But it doesn't mean that you have to dispose of it if you've got one more bowl of cereal to fix. You just have to be smart about the dates and the quality of the product when you use it. The other is a sell-by date. So for the retailer, the grocery store that you shop at, when something gets down to 2 or 3 days on it, they want to get rid of it. So they may mark it down and put it in a dump somewhere in the store, 2 for 1 or something, and it's still, the product's good. And if you buy it and you take it home, put it in the refrigerator, put it in the freezer till you're going to use it, doesn't mean it's bad. It's just, again, at the peak of its quality around that time. And then you have a best used by. This product is good, estimated for probably a year, 18 months. If I haven't used it by then, I probably won't, because that tells me that the testing on this put a date on it that it was good, so I'm probably not going to use it. Same thing on the olive oil that we have here. It has this best by date on it. So oils have a tendency to break down and become a little rancid after that date. So it's kind of like milk. You can smell it, you can taste a little bit of it, and you can tell if it's good or not. So all of those factors, the use by, the sell by, and best by, are an indication to give you an idea when you buy these products about what you can expect for them.
Okay, good advice, Jim Brooks. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.